To make call into your voicemail on the Samsung Galaxy S26, well, in the most cases, the voicemail will be assigned into this number with this voicemail icon. So if you are gonna click and hold it, you can pick the SIM card that you are gonna use right now if you are using dual SIM, and now as you can see, you are just calling into your voicemail. But if it is not working for some reason, you can simply click here and go for settings. And what you can do here, well, we have to go for voicemail settings and we have to set the voicemail number here and here. So for each SIM card, as you can see, I've got different because I've got the different service provider. And once you actually set this number, you can even copy this number if you want by clicking like so. Then you can just go back, click here and select speed dial numbers. And now as you can see, as default, you should get your voicemail, but you can change it if you want. And you can even put the voicemail number, for example, on any other numbers, like for example, this one.